Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing cause and removing triggers. Look for new soaps, plants, detergents, or medications in the last 24 to 48 hours. Once identified, wash your palms with lukewarm water and a mild, fragrance-free soap for 20 to 30 seconds to remove residues. Pat dry gently. Make sure to avoid hot water and scratching, because heat and friction worsen itching. If you wear rings, remove them now to avoid trapping irritants under metal. Once the palms are clean, soothe inflammation and break the itch-scratch cycle. Apply a fragrance-free emollient. If itching is moderate, use a thin layer of 1% hydrocortisone cream once or twice daily for up to 7 days. Then, place cool compresses for 10 to 15 minutes, repeating 2 to 3 times daily to reduce histamine-driven itch. Make sure to protect your hands during tasks by wearing breathable cotton gloves, and avoid latex or plastic if you suspect contact. You finish by monitoring response and escalating appropriately. If the rash spreads, forms blisters, becomes very swollen, or you develop fever, contact a clinician. These suggest infection or severe allergic reaction. If symptoms persist beyond 7 to 10 days, request allergy testing or a prescription such as a topical calcineurin inhibitor for chronic dermatitis. If a treatment stings or worsens the itch, stop immediately and switch to emollient only. That troubleshooting step helps distinguish irritation from therapeutic effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.